Look at her go, guys. She's going down a nice rocky hill, nice rocky decline. She went up this hill. Now she's going down it. No problem, man. It's awesome. If you guys' wife, girlfriend, or you ladies out there as husbands or boyfriends absolutely despise riding, I think you should find another spouse, significant other. Nah, I'm only kidding. I'm only kidding. Man, guys, look at her go. Down this hill, she's absolutely killing it right now, man. Some of you guys may be thinking, oh, that's easy. Well, some pretty gnarly terrain, man. This is the second time she's been back on her bike in, geez, a decade. I would think they would have went straight. That's the way I was trying to tell him to go. On them rocky sections like that, do exactly what you did. Stand up. You got full control of the bike. There she goes, doing it again. She's getting awfully comfortable. We'll see if this is the way they went. We will see. Right, there's a gnarly drop off. You hear everybody screaming down there, man. That was awesome. Whew! You missed it, hey! You missed it. That was awesome though. I got it on camera. That was flipping awesome. Some Graham Jarvis shit right there. Whew. Man, you guys ain't gonna be able to see what that looked like, but I tell you what, that was bomb, dude. That was bomb. She's starting to do these jumps, man. Watch. Look at her, look at her. Pretty rocky right there. Really eating her dust now. Cool, we're gonna stop real quick, take a break for a few minutes, guys. We're gonna hit the western side. I'll see you guys back in a few. So guys, if you notice, like I was saying a second ago, their seasons are changing quick here. Look at this. It looks like it's November here, early December. This place is soaked on this side, guys. Soaked. Crazy. And it's called Puddle Road. Now you see why. It's called Puddle Road. We had a couple guys on side-by-sides kind of coming around a blind turn too, man. They must have been doing 50 miles an hour. Upwards of 60. Might have even been doing 60, man. I told the wife to make sure she stays on the right-hand side anytime you're coming up to a blind. Unless you can see a good ways in front of you, always want to stay on your side of the lane. Never ride in the center unless you can see way in front of you. Because, man, you get hit by a side-by-side at 50, 60 miles an hour back here. Dude, you're Dunsky. Look at her go. Look at her go. I think she said she wanted to name that bike Black Ice. What do you guys think of that? Black Ice. I kind of like it. There's the old Goat Man. Look at that. The Goat Man. They found him. Look at her hopping these little humps in the road. Well, I hope she's having a good time. I hope Bob and Justin are having a good time too, man. I know today was going to be kind of a chiller ride since I was taking my wife out. But I told them, you know, we'll be right behind you. You know, do what you guys want. You know, have fun. Don't be held back from us. But I'm having a damn good time. I mean, a damn good time. You know? So hopefully they are too. Let me put these in the backpack so we don't, God forbid I drop them down this hill.
Mine. I put it on my wrist.
Nope, I'm just going to put them in the bag and I'll give them to you. Don't sweat them. Hold on. There you go, babe. How's it look? Man, that looks pretty high, dude. Oh, man, what we need to do is to bring the bikes down here and just send it.
Yeah.
We got it, no problem. And we'll ride up the hill.
When I see you in the afterlife, I'm like, not getting crazy.
I told you not to do that. Let's catch back up to her. Man, guys, look how beautiful this is. So zen, man. Like, some people may think, oh man, riding off-road, it's gotta be, you know, hard work and blah 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 blah. And dude, this to me is peaceful. Absolutely peaceful. I love it. You know, popping wheelies, riding in the woods like this. It's peaceful, man. It's nothing but zen for me. I absolutely love it. That's the thing, you gotta love it, man. If you don't love it, you won't enjoy it. I love it. It's just beautiful back here. Seeing these yellow, these different colors in the leaves and everything, and it's not as rocky right here right now, and it's just absolutely fantastic. She got that hill like it was nothing, man. Destroying it. She's doing absolutely epic. But yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. Look how high up we are back here. Pretty high up, you know. I love seeing the hit them rocks and the back tire on her kind of shoots out a little. Not in a bad way, but you know what I mean. It gives it that little boom, buck feeling. It's no problem, man. You got it, no problem, babe. Pick a good line. Yup. Nice and easy. Yeah. Bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Tip for you guys. I didn't do it there because it's a little different right now, but something like that, if you stand up and you go down the hill, it's awesome. You know, you just ride it standing up. You get good control of the bike. You know, like here, you know. I'll even come over, well, I was going to go over to the super rocky section. I'll go right here, but like, you get really good control of the bike standing up. And you just let the bike roll, man. Don't be afraid of the bike bucking on you. Just let it roll. You let it roll, man, you're in full control of that bike. You try to force it, that's when you start running into problems. So what we got right here. Oh man, look at that. Stay away from that edge, babe. That's pretty awesome looking. That didn't work. That didn't work. I'm gonna go up this way. There we go. Yeah. This little thing is awesome, dude. It's awesome. It's awesome. I love it. Very cool, babe. This thing is awesome. It goes up that no problem.
Yep.
No, it's no big deal, babe. You could do it, no problem. It is it doesn't look that steep from here. It is steeper than it looks when you get on it, but it's no big deal.